January 28th, 2025. Focus of this video is to talk about testing to make sure you got a good or bad actuator for your door lock. And on the box it says auto lock actuator, OEM number 22020, I don't know, the 256, 22020-256, unless I'm mistaken. Anyway, this is from a 1994 Astro van. It's made by GWA Auto Parts Company in Delray Beach, Florida. AAignition.com. Anyway, this is a really affordable part to replace the OEM part, and the OEM part is original equipment manufacturers, AC Delco. So this is the old part, and the way you test it is you get a bag of 4-pound weight, and in the bag I have 4 1-pound scuba diving weights, the pellets. You can use a lead weight if you can find any. I had a bunch of them, and foolishly I took them back to the hazardous waste recycling center in Miami-Dade County. I didn't know the price of lead was going to go up so high. But anyway, I got rid of the lead, and these are steel pellets, and you can use dirt or anything else heavy, but 4 pounds of weight. And you take a string, like you see here, and you test the actuator for push and pull. And you'll notice, if you mess around with it, you'll find it has a sweet spot where it has the maximum strength, both push and pull. And pull is pretty easy. You just hang it up in the air and put the weight at the bottom and see if it pulls up 4 pounds. Push, you got to hold it like this and run a string over a pulley like this and put a 4-pound weight and see if it'll do the same thing in the other direction. If it doesn't, you got a bad one. If it does, it works. You don't need to replace it. It's something else that's wrong. Anyway, thumbs up if you like this video. Very short video, but this is how you test an actuator. And I like this Ignition, very affordable, and works. You know, it's been working since I installed it some time ago in my 1994 Astro van. And like I said in my prior video segment, usually the problem is with the door itself. You need to adjust. The adjustment range is not much on this, so you have to either expand the adjustment range so you can adjust it and find that sweet spot where it works best, push or pull, or bend the rods, whatever floats your boat. Dennis Sietsma, Dennis John Sietsma Productions, Homestead, Florida, USA. Do-it-yourself work can result in death or injury, so do at your own risk. Do at your own risk. Did I say that? Do at your own risk. Oh yeah, my video productions are not intended to be how-to. They are not intended to be instructional. They're intended to be entertainment or information, but not instructional. So if you set yourself on fire, it's on you, guys. And always have fire extinguishers heavy, available, plenty of them. Fire extinguishers, fire can come out at any time, so beware. And in a future video, we'll talk about fuel transfer pumps, why buying cheap ones on the output where the connector falls off with pressure is no good. They threaded it on this side on the intake, but on the output they just knurled it and it comes off. So beware on fuel pumps. And in future videos we'll talk more about the GT5000 starter motor, how to fix that, or give it to a friend to let them fix it. I have a friend that has a GT5000, and according to him, his has never even broken a belt. So I'm like, okay guy, you got the unicorn, you got the leprechaun, you have the blessing of no failures on a 22-year-old riding lawn track, never even broken a belt. Okay. Yeah, Pinocchio. Anyway, thumbs up if anything good. Thanks for watching.